The 2024 Apocalypse truck is here, and it's setting new standards for toughness, style, and power in the world of extreme vehicles. With its aggressive design, military-grade Kevlar armor, and a V8 engine that commands respect, this beast is ready to take on any terrain, city streets, or survivalist mission. And, with NBA legend Shaquille O'Neal giving his stamp of approval, it's clear this truck is built for those who want to make a statement. Designed by the custom vehicle experts at Apocalypse Manufacturing in Arizona, the 2024 Apocalypse truck is a true marvel of engineering, blending off-road capability with luxury and protection. The standout feature of this model is its military-inspired Kevlar armor, which not only enhances its durability but also gives the truck a menacing, indestructible look. Whether you're barreling through rugged terrain or navigating urban streets, this truck is built to withstand whatever the world throws at it. The truck's exterior design is as intimidating as its armor. With aggressive lines, oversized tires, and a reinforced steel frame, the 2024 Apocalypse truck looks ready for battle. The Kevlar armor covers the entire body, providing protection from impacts, debris, and even bullets, while contributing to its tough, military-grade aesthetic. It's a vehicle that demands attention and respect wherever it goes. Inside, the Apocalypse truck is just as tough but with a luxurious twist. Premium leather seating and a state-of-the-art dashboard ensure that even though this truck is built for rugged use, comfort is never compromised. The interior features advanced infotainment and navigation systems, climate control, and high-end audio, all while maintaining the truck's utilitarian appeal. Driver assist technologies make navigating challenging landscapes easier, ensuring a safe and comfortable ride for all passengers. Under the hood, the 2024 Apocalypse truck is powered by a formidable 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers over 500 horsepower. This powerhouse ensures that the truck can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a matter of seconds and handle even the most difficult off-road conditions with ease. Coupled with heavy-duty suspension and upgraded axles, the Apocalypse truck is ready for any adventure, whether it's a highway cruise or an off-road conquest. Safety and durability are key priorities for the Apocalypse truck. The Kevlar armor not only makes it virtually indestructible but also adds bullet-resistant glass, ensuring that passengers are well protected in any situation. Whether you're navigating dangerous environments or simply driving through the city, you can be assured of a safe and secure ride. In conclusion, the 2024 Apocalypse truck is more than just a vehicle, it's a symbol of power, durability, and style. With its military-grade Kevlar armor, incredible V8 engine, and Shaq-Approved Toughness, this truck stands in a league of its own. Perfect for those who want a vehicle that can handle extreme situations without sacrificing luxury or performance, the Apocalypse truck is built to stand out and get noticed. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a survivalist, or simply someone who loves bold, rugged vehicles, the 2024 Apocalypse truck is ready to take on whatever you throw at it.